You are not going to believe the luck I am having. What kind of luck? My heating and air.com guys came out and repaired my air conditioner. It was fixed. Yes. Same day. Nice. This heat is brutal. Not for me, anymore at least. It is Arizona, it is hot even if you think it is cool in your home. Oh, I know it is hot, that is why I invested in new technology for my vehicle as well. Uh-oh. Yeah, it is amazing. A remote starter with the air being turned on? Nope. A ceiling fan. Seriously? Yeah, it is amazing. Wow. Just wow.